And guys, here's our string beans the second way. It's just cold water with string beans. I bring it all to a boil together. Some people do not. Some people wait for the water to boil and then throw your string beans in. I do not. And I mince up, this is probably about, because I love garlic, and so does my husband, and it's 6 cloves of garlic. And you could either, I like to taste garlic, and when you boil the garlic, I said, you take that bite away and it actually becomes sweet. You could leave them this size, or I left one out. You can mince them like that, or you can actually use your zester and make them even finer. So it's salted water, but I did not put pepper in, because when you cook with black pepper in cooking, sometimes, well, I shouldn't say sometimes, black pepper does get hotter when you cook with it. And I'm used to, when I cook these for my grandkids, not using black pepper, and I know if you put black pepper in when you cook with it, it does get hotter. So I'll put the black pepper in once these are done. So when these are done, I'll put black pepper, butter, taste it for salt, and add salt. And again, because I salt the water heavy, usually I do not have to salt the string beans, because the salt flavor is throughout the string bean, not just on the outside of it. And sitting on top of it is actually, you know, through and through, throughout that string bean. And then with my potatoes, like I said, I'm making 10 pounds of potatoes, but I wanted to take that bite out of the garlic, so I did put 2 cloves of garlic in the water, not to flavor the potatoes, but because I think I'm going to want 1 or 2 cloves when I do my second dish of mashed potatoes, the one with the garlic. I mean, excuse me, the one I do with the cream cheese. Sour cream and potatoes are very good too. And you're going to bring this to a boil until the doneness you want. I'm not going to overcook these, because I'm cooking these really, again, I'm going to give it to my mom and my dad and my son and my daughter-in-law Kaylee, who broke her foot or her ankle. So, okay, that's it. So I don't know if I mentioned, but when my mother does this, she leaves her garlic whole, her cloves of garlic whole, and then when she's done cooking, she throws them away. She discards them. I don't know why she doesn't like garlic like I do. Hey guys, I cooked the string beans according to my father, but they were a little too hard, so no biggie. I just took a lid, put it on, I'll steam it for about 15-20 minutes, and that should be soft enough for my dad. That's what happens when I don't cook according to my taste. Just a little too hard. I already added the butter, added this pepper, and I did not add salt, but I think I'm going to add a little salt. All right. Hey guys, just traditional garlic green beans. That's it. This is what we're going to be making today in Life with Lisa. And they were delicious. Just real simple. Salt, pepper, butter, garlic.